Hi, my name is Amir and my business is Apex Car Breakers. We're based in Mill Hill, Northwest London. We got the car parts breakers business, which has been going for the last 17 years. And we had a lot of success, but we realized we hit a bit of a plateau and we needed to do something different because the technology's moved on, the email listing and that sort of stuff doesn't work. And obviously I've heard a lot about the Facebook marketing and so yeah, we just want to explore what actually is out there because from the outside it looks very complicated process. So that's what actually brought me to this training course. What I've learned the last 3 days is it's been tremendously valuable because from the outside, as I said, it looked very difficult, but by chunking it down, it's very, very manageable. And even with the little to no experience, you can run very decent Facebook campaigns because I've run some campaigns before and it was just a boost post, and I was really thinking that where my money is going because I wasn't getting any leads at all. But now I realize, well, I was just giving Facebook money and I'm not even getting thank you for it. But now I know I can actually target my audience. We can target to specific customers, whether they different car models or different lifestyles or whatever, and so we can really hit home with these guys. For anybody else who's in a similar sort of situation, either they're starting up or they got a business where they hit a bit of plateau or they want to scale it up to the next level, I would highly recommend to come and work with Jason and James for these 3 days because there's two things for me. One is the technical knowledge, which in most cases is actually less of an issue because the technical knowledge you can go and acquire, but it's a lot to do with the mindset, because that's what we keep telling ourselves. The little voices in our head keep on telling we're not good enough, we're not big enough, and all the rest of it. So what you will actually learn in these 3 days, it's not just about the technical aspect of Facebook advertising with business mastery. You'll be able to dispel a lot of these myths and you can get on and do greater things, and you can serve greater people as well.